This is a 1984 FJ60. My dad bought a few years back, and it was running and driving. We were just gonna restore it, and he bought it sight unseen online, and well, online you didn't see all of this and all of this, the rust. It was sold out of Southern California, so he thought it would be good, but it ended up coming out of Florida. So she's rotted completely. So we started buying some parts for it, bought sets of doors and fenders and tailgates and stuff. And we were hoping with all of that we can make one good set of all of it. The body, he bought another tub. So we're going through it because the tub, it just needs to be replaced. Doors need to be replaced, but the interior's clean, motor's good. It's only got 100,000 miles on it, original, which is impressive for these things. So it's got a lot of good bones in it, it's just rust. The frame's pretty bad. It's got a new exhaust on it. I daily drove this for a little while, replaced all the tires, new exhaust because the exhaust fell off on me, rusted through driving down the road. But it's been sitting for about 5 years now, so I decided to pull it apart, start working on it. And while it was parked, the rats and mice got into it. So we're gonna see what it's gonna take to get this thing running again. First things first, me and my girlfriend are gonna unload all of the doors, all the spare parts inside of it, and we're gonna vacuum it, clean it the best we can before we pull it into the shop. So we'll get to that now. Okay, got the interior vacuumed up mostly. I mean, it's still kind of dirty, but not bad. All the rat is gone for the most part. Got the headliner cut so I can actually see again. Got the carpet out of the back rolled up and removed, vacuumed up most of it. We're good there. I'm gonna pick all of this up here now, unravel that, get all the crap off the hood and wash it, and then maybe we'll get it in there and see if we got spark. Okay, we're gonna open the hood for the first time in probably 5+ years. That sounds bad. Yep. That's not ideal. Okay, we got our work cut out for us. Goodness. Okay, got most of it cleaned up here-ish, kind of. Obviously there's still some sticks, but majority of it's gone. Maybe I can get in here. I shouldn't be doing this bare-handed. I should go get my gloves back on, but it's fine. We made quite a bit of a mess. We'll let it dry, see what's still dirty, come back through and hit it again. Let's see what's up here. Oh yeah, see, much better. There's where the house was, the master suite. Been cleaned out a little bit. There's still some gunk down in there I need to get to, but it's pretty good for now. We'll let it dry up and see what needs attention next. Okay, got the old girl inside, battery on charger. We're gonna start futzing around with this here shortly. This is deader than dead though. Yep. Okay, we're good. We got spark. Which one? I don't know where the hole is. Which one's? Oh, this fuel bottle's not good. Give it a crank. It took a stick to the face. Ow! What was that? All right, give it the beans. Okay. Hold on, I just inhaled so much gunk. I don't even know what it was. Come on, baby, stay going. She's got a lot of fuel. Give her the beans. This fuel is also not the cleanest. Hold on, she may be flooded. Hold her wide. The way I cut this. Okay, as you can see, we got it fired yesterday, which is a good sign, just with some fuel down the carb. We're gonna desmog this to get rid of as much of this as we can, but that's not this plan currently because we just got vacuum lines everywhere. So plan right now is to drop the rear fuel tank, new lines, all the way up to the pump, which is there. So that's what we're doing now. Got the new tank and a bunch of fittings and stuff over there. Let me walk you through my plan here. Ratchet strap to here, crossed, hang and load. That way if it does fall, it doesn't murder me. And then a jack in this area, lower it down. So let me get that set up and we'll be back. Yep. There's another one. Okay. I'm really hoping that that stays up over there. Exhaust is the issue right now. I mean, I can chop the exhaust, but There's so much spring tension on that thing right now. it's like 105 pounds.
Come outside and pull that exhaust.
With about 700 pounds of spring tension on. And we're sitting underneath it. That's smart.
Okay.
Wiggle.
We're clear.
Hey, look at that, it's almost out. Kinda.
We drop that jack.
Woo! It hit me in the head. Can you just let that slide out?
Well, you've got the wire. We're connected. Come here, stop.
Where are we connected? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, we're about to rip it. Hold on.
There you go.
Oh.
That's
Alright, you down?
yeah, go down.
Okay, one on bolts on this side. I can't wait to not be able to get the new one in. Exhaust! I'm gonna chop it off, Father. I'm gonna chop it off. I'm gonna get right out of my mother. Oh!
Do you need some help?
Nope, just eating a gas tank. Hold on. Get!
Here's what I do.
Jesus H. Christ.
Well, you're strapped.
You may need to strap it for me. Is my issue. You may need to strap it for me. Oh my God. Oh, we're having issues. Oh, we're having issues. Everything's coming apart. Man, this thing is heavy. I got the thing plugged in up top now. Come on, get off there. So we're doing exactly what I did in my 49, which is run a piece of hard line, straight stick. I believe this is 60 inches down the frame rail, and soft line from tank to the stick, and from stick to pump. And then the return line, I think we're just gonna run an extra thick soft line all the way, just to save us some time. Again, this is temporary. All these lines are gonna get replaced with correct lines. But that's when we're gonna frame swap this, so that's way down the line. This is just to get it moving down the road for now. Got it choked. It's got good oil pressure. Oh, you can't see. Got good oil pressure. It's idling. I filled the bowl, so we'll see if it starts pulling fuel here eventually. Just a little choke, not a whole lot. Seems to be running pretty good.